So what's up, everyone? Today's the 22nd of November 2023. Here to talk about CZ, the CEO of Binance, has pleaded guilty to money laundering. Now, I'm not going to deal with that situation. I'm more concerned with the price action of Binance, the cryptocurrency. You guys can see off of that news, look at the price action that occurred into the market in Binance. The volume also came through as well. So people are pretty worried about the viability of Binance crypto once the CEO is going to be ousted, going to get locked up, and for his involvement of money laundering within the exchange. What's going to happen to Binance now? Well, you guys can see here on the Google internet search that many other news outlets has covered this breaking news. Binance CEO pleads guilty to money laundering charges. Everywhere. The New York Times picked it up. FOREX picked it up. Even smaller news network picked it up. CCN, Yahoo Finance picked it up. CoinDesk picked it up. Everyone is talking about it. What's going to happen to the coin? What's going to happen to the exchange? Because when you see the price action in Binance, like, let's keep this real. Look at the price action in Binance. It seems to me, when you just look at the chart alone, don't add anything to it, it looks to me like something purposefully was keeping the price elevated. Like something was actually trying to hold up this market in Binance, the cryptocurrency. It really held firm around these price levels, $220 all the way back down to $286. While many other altcoins for this year alone have seen monumental movement to the downside, massive moves to the downside. But why not Binance? Maybe Binance will now participate in the market move lower, since this has now gone out that money laundering was happening in the exchange. Is that the reason why the value of this cryptocurrency was elevated? It's because it was utilized for money laundering? What's going to happen now? Will we finally see the market in Binance go lower in price, or will it continue to hold its range, to hold this value of around $186 to $200? Will the market still hold there? Let's try to figure this out, because apparently I posted this in our community tab on our channel that Wellwire has a target for the cryptocurrency now. Look at that, under $5. CZ goes bust here, and they're looking for the price to go down. Let's see if that's going to be the case. So let's get back to this price prediction here. You guys can see that we did a price prediction in Binance on August the 21st, looking for the market to decrease, to go down, and it did. But we've acknowledged off of our videos since then that we also saw buyers hitting the market in Binance here. Okay, so we did an update on October the 17th, still playing weakness to the market in Binance, but look what happened. It began to participate in the market move higher like many other altcoins in the space. Now the market has gotten wind and information about CZ pleading guilty, and then we saw that monumental move to the downside yesterday. Market ended down 11%. People are worried. So let's see what happens to the price now. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here, and let's try to figure out where the market went to the high yesterday, because apparently this high that occurred into the market in Binance yesterday is a point to where the market is getting inundated with selling. So this area here is going to be seen as selling. Okay, so we identified this. So we extend this over to the left of the chart. We can see how this area has played a role in the support in Binance. So check this out. Here back in March of this year, and then it tried to hold it back in June, but then the market fell back down below that price. So seeing how the selling increased, seeing how the market only topped out around 272, that is selling right there now. Okay, now my concern is seeing the price and Binance still come through and hold 220 all the way back down here to 204 as support. Okay, looking at Binance here on the 3-day time frame, we have 9 hours and 36 minutes left. This is weakness. Selling is hitting this current 3-day price bar. The volume also tells us that selling has increased. Here it is. I'm sorry, that's on the 2-day timer. Here it is on the 3. Definitely seeing some weakness here as well. Now we got a day and 10 hours. If the market in Binance closes down here on the low of this current 3-day price bar, we need to say, yes, this market is still weak. Here it is on the 5-day chart. This is definitely weak right here. This printed 5-day price bar that the arrow is pointing down to is weakness. Off of the confirmation that the market only got rejected at these prior areas of support. So yeah, we're seeing weakness on the chart in Binance. So maybe that well wire is correct in where price in Binance is headed. Here's weakness right now on the weekly chart. We're getting an indicator of weakness right now, a fake of weakness in the market in Binance. Now I would suspect that the buyers into the market in Binance would try to hold price right around here. This is going to be their initial point to which they're going to try to support the price in Binance. Here it is on the 3-week chart. Still looks pretty weak there. Here it is on the 5. Here's Binance on the monthly. So 8 more days. All right, we give the market 8 more days to see how this current monthly price bar ends at Binance. And if it looks the way that it looks now, we have to say that there's a greater chance to see price continue to go down in Binance. But those buyers at these support areas that we identified at Binance, they're pretty strong though. So the market may not go that low. The market may just go back to these support areas that we identified and continue to trade sideways and go up. That's still a possibility, especially after this massive negative news has hit in the business. It's out the way. It's in the market. People have digested. So what else could cause Binance to go down? Maybe the SEC will find more damning evidence that will put Binance in a negative light, that would make people want to jump ship because they don't want to be involved with a business that's involved with criminal activity. That could continue to move the market lower in Binance for sure. So let's go ahead and do this price prediction. So definitely on the 5-day time frame, I am seeing weakness off the chart in Binance. So we're going to anticipate that the market in Binance is going to go lower. And the first 2 targets are pretty simple. We already see them right here at these horizontal lines, around 220, which is around 5.62%. My second target is going to be around 210, that's 9.87. Then my third target is around 204, 12.4%. Now, this is where the market resistance needs to stay in terms of us anticipating that the market's going to continue to go lower in Binance. So let me extend these lines over, because these will be reference points, and this area up here is the sell zone. All right, so I am finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about Binance now. Where do you guys think price is headed? And we'll see which one is right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.